Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to filter spam in your Hotmail. Let's begin. First, go to your web browser and log into your Outlook account. I want you to go ahead and open your junk email folder, all right? So here we will have your junk email folder. Click on that. If you spot real emails there, right click and you can easily move them back to your inbox by clicking restore. All right. Then you can also click on the gear icon over here to choose view all Outlook settings. And you can easily go to the junk mail. Here, you can add trusted contacts to the safe senders lists and adjust how strict your filter is. Right? You can modify some things in here, standard, strict, but I would just use the standards. And regularly check your junk folder to catch important emails and keep updating your safe list. So Outlook learns what belongs in your inbox. And that's it. Now you know how to filter spam in Hotmail and take back control of your inbox. I hope you found this video very helpful.